What's up, everybody? This is Amity from the Corvid Cache. Just stopping in to say hi and say that I went back to Target and I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more blister packs. Last time we did pretty good. We got an alt out of the starter deck, and then we did pull an Omnimon. So I wonder if we will have the same luck this time. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and crack in and find out. Version 1.0. Our first pack, we did get Diaboromon. Second pack, Omnimon. I said Omnimon, this is the Royal Knight cover. Third pack, oh, there he is, Omnimon. Fourth is Diaboromon, that's kind of cute. And for the fifth, another Diaboromon. So, a lot of Diaboromon blisters and a lot of Diaboromon packs. Just set those out of the way here. And that's what we'll do. Make it a little more fun. Every other pack will be a Diaboromon pack. Go ahead and get cracked in here. Oh no, there's a foil in the back. I can feel it. Okay. We have Pumpkinmon, Hornbuster, Flareizamon, Rapamon, Elecmon, Night Raid, Goblymon, Palmon, Chirinmon, Garurumon. Our rare is Yammon and a Garudamon. Set the Garudamon over here. Next up is the Omnimon pack. So, we have Garurumon. Oh no. And like I said in the last video, these cards are very cold. I'm not sure if Target has had them since the initial release, or they just got them in and where they kept them is very cold, but the cards are really wanting to stick together. It doesn't appear that there's any warping or damage or anything like that with them. They're just really cold and they want to like hold together. Golden Ripper, Repamon, Kokuamon, Oblivion Bird, Elecmon, Leomon, Tapirmon, a very important card for the purple deck, Wainamon, we got a Matt, and then we got a Cubimon. Third pack here. Oh no, it's not one to open. Not like this. We got Pumpkinmon, Armadillomon, Metal Greymon, Kabuterimon, Lylemon, Heat Viper, Lyemon, River of Power, Kuwagamon, Monmon, Matt Ishida, and Mambo number 5. And for the Royal Knight pack, we have Kudamon, Impmon, Digitamamon, Greymon, Spiral Sword, Metal Tyrannomon, Monodramon, Back for Revenge, Greymon, Sirenmon, Upamon, and Metal Tyrannomon. Last pack. Can we get something else? One more hit here would be really cool. We have Mushroomon, Oblivion Bird, Agumon Expert, Gabumon, Frigimon, Night Raid, Andromon, Magnadramon, Spider Shooter, Groundramon, Ikakumon, and Kari. Not bad. We did get some rares that we did need. I'm actually working on a purple-yellow deck right now, so I did need a few more mats. So that worked out really well. And then our foil, of course, was the SR Garudamon. I'll keep an eye out at my locals to see if there are any more packs that do show up. I definitely don't want to come in and just buy them out. I want to make sure that everyone does get a fair chance to kind of get in and get what they need. Because this set has been very hard to find, and people who are charging an arm and a leg for commons and rares are out there. So yeah, let me know in the description below if you found any packs at your Target yet. Has your local game store, by the time you're watching this, is it carrying it yet? And if you do like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you want to leave a one-time donation, my coffee description is also down in the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.